Hello everyone, welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech. I'm Jest, and today, we're discussing crucial information regarding the application deadline for study leave with pay and the new conditions some districts are implementing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. First, let's talk about the key deadlines. If you're planning to apply for study leave with pay, you need to submit your application by July 9, 2024. This is the final date for submissions at the district, regional, and national levels. It's crucial to meet this deadline to ensure your application is considered on time. Previously, many teachers had already started their studies by the time the outcome of their study leave applications was released. This caused complications, especially regarding the payment of admission fees and other related issues. To avoid such problems, the process has been streamlined so that the results will be out before you need to pay your admission fees. This means you need to apply as early as possible to allow sufficient time for the district and region to process your documents. Now, let's discuss some additional conditions that certain districts have introduced. One major requirement is that you must provide lesson notes for the past 2 academic years. These lesson notes must be your original work, either handwritten or typed. Notes that are downloaded and edited will not be accepted. This is to ensure that you have a solid work history and good conduct as a teacher. Refusing to write your lesson notes can be seen as a lack of good conduct, which can negatively impact your application. By maintaining well-documented lesson notes, you're demonstrating your commitment and professionalism. This requirement encourages teachers to consistently prepare and maintain their lesson notes, which ultimately benefits both you and your students. There are positive implications to these new requirements. Teachers will be more motivated to keep their lesson notes up to date, knowing that it directly affects their eligibility for study leave with pay. This practice promotes better teaching standards and accountability. Before we continue, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about important updates like this, including controller issues, salary activations, promotions, and academic calendars. Once your application is submitted by July 9, 2024, the district will spend about 2 to 3 weeks forwarding the documents to the regional office for further processing. This ensures that the outcome is ready before the new academic year begins, allowing you to plan and make informed decisions regarding your studies. In summary, make sure to submit your study leave with pay application by July 9, 2024, and include your lesson notes for the past 2 academic years. These steps will help ensure a smooth application process and improve your chances of approval. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, take care and stay